Hi. In this video, I am going to show you how to share your screen in a WhatsApp video call from your PC. First of all, we open WhatsApp on the PC. Then, open any chat. Go to the right side and click on the video call button. For the person receiving the call, there's a share button. You can share any of them. In your Windows, I will click on that arrow to share your display. Select the display and click on OK. Now, you can see on the mobile screen the display of what we have shared in the mobile. That's all the way to share a screen in a WhatsApp video call from a PC. If you found this video helpful, please like it and don't forget to subscribe.